Alright, let's get straight to the point. We're putting 3 top Arch-compatible VPNs under the microscope, and we've got just 3 minutes to find the perfect one for your Arch Linux setup. Let's dive in. First, what do NordVPN, PIA, and IPVanish all get right for Arch users? They've got the essentials on lock. We're talking military-grade encryption, so your system and data stay secure from prying eyes. They all include a kill switch, which instantly cuts your internet if the VPN fails, preventing any accidental IP leaks on your Arch machine. Plus, they've all had their no-logs policies verified, meaning they don't keep records of your online activity. But where they differ, that's what really matters for Arch enthusiasts. Let's break it down. NordVPN is the best VPN for Arch because of its speed and features. It uses a huge network of RAM-only servers, which means your data is wiped clean with every reboot, a crucial plus for privacy-conscious Arch users. Another great feature is threat protection. It blocks ads and malicious sites that could compromise your secure Arch environment. It also has a cool tool called MeshNet, letting you create secure connections between devices, ideal for syncing multiple Arch setups or sharing files safely. The one small negative? A limit of 10 devices at a time. Now, that device limit is a non-issue with both private internet access and IPVanish. They give you unlimited simultaneous connections, so you can protect your Arch desktop, laptop, and any other devices all at once. But PIA's biggest strength is its radical transparency. It's the only one here with fully open source software, so any tech-savvy Arch user can audit their code for backdoors or vulnerabilities. And here's the clincher. Their no-logs claim has been challenged in court and upheld. That's more than a promise. It's been proven. Then we have IPVanish, the totally independent operator. Its special advantage? It owns and manages its entire server infrastructure. No middlemen, no confusion, which means a more reliable and consistent connection for you on Arch. For Linux users who need lower latency, it also provides a SOCKS 5 proxy option. This can route your internet traffic more efficiently, potentially smoothing out speeds, though it comes with a trade-off by skipping encryption at that stage. Okay, ready for the big question. Which one is fastest on Arch? NordVPN is the clear winner in raw speed, thanks to its custom NordLynx protocol. This means faster downloads, streaming, and safer browsing on your Arch system. IPVanish is a very close second, delivering steady ping times using the WireGuard protocol that Arch users love for its efficiency. Private internet access is a bit less predictable. It can be quick, but our tests showed its performance can vary depending on which server you pick. So which VPN should you choose for your Arch setup? Here's a simple guide. Choose NordVPN if speed and advanced features like MeshNet are your top priorities and you want a reliable all-around service. Go with IPVanish if you need unlimited device connections and want a provider that fully controls its hardware, perfect for multi-device Arch users. And finally, pick PIA if you value privacy above all else, or want open source transparency combined with a proven no-logs record. And that's it. We're out of time, so if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which VPN you're using on your Arch Linux system. See you soon.